Hello everyone, this is Daniel, owner and operator of Protech702 Textile and Floor Care. And today we're going to actually take you on a carpet cleaning restoration job with us. So please enjoy the video.
25 miles to Compton, cooking up the beat.
Okay, so what you're looking at here is the before images here of the living room. And this is nylon carpet. Okay, so here we are in the master bedroom here where we start, and we're using the 360i, and just look at the results there, before and after. Amazing. Here we have again. I guess the customer had used some Resolve here on the carpet for a couple of the spots, stains that she had there, and we had to flush everything out. We also did a post spot treatment as well on a lot of the areas there. Here's some before and after images there. 360i really deep cleans that carpet. Alright, here we are making our way out of the master bedroom here. Give it some extra dry passes. Cleaning in progress here. And we also use a carpet cleaning wand after we're done, using the 360i to get all the corners and whatnot. Here we are making our way out of the master bedroom. Again, we use a carpet cleaning wand to get behind the door. Alright, so here's the after work here. And we post-roomed everything. And keep in mind, we use a 9-step cleaning process in every one of our carpet cleaning jobs. Here's the second bedroom. And there is the carpet cleaning wand here. The customer was really happy with the end result here. She hadn't had the carpet cleaning about, I think it was like 2.5 years. She had called a couple companies before ours, couldn't find anybody that's reliable and offered a same-day service carpet cleaning. So here's the end result here, the living room, post room. Thank you for watching our video. I hope everyone has a great day. Take care.